So good morning one and all. My name is Aniruddha from MNTC from D1A section. So here I am going to present my shop talk. My shop talk name is type of threads. So let's see what is type of threads. So here is the image of type of threads. So first is metric thread, square thread, buttress thread, acme thread and trapezoidal thread. So let's see first metric thread. Metric thread. Isometric thread consists of symmetric V-shaped thread. The isometric thread is the most commonly used in type of journal purpose. Metric threads are defined as the distance between each thread in millimeters. Metric thread are used in machine tools, automobiles and furniture. And next is our square thread. Square thread has a zero profile thread angle and it has flanks perpendicular to each other. Square thread has an angle of 90 degree and square thread are used in high load applications such as lead screw and jack screw. So next is trapezoidal thread. Trapezoidal thread have thread angle equal to 30-degree angle. They are manufactured on thread milling machine with the help of multi-point cutting tool. And trapezoidal thread is a uses in lead screw and other transmission device such as machine tool. And next is our acme thread. Acme thread is a special type of trapezoidal thread. Trapezoidal special type of thread is acme thread. Both acme and trapezoidal threads are identical in all respects, except in thread angle. Acme thread and trapezoidal thread both are same, but there is a difference between the angle. Acme thread angle is 30 degree, and acme angle is 29 degree, and trapezoidal angle is 30 degree. Acme thread advantages of acme thread. Acme thread are stronger than square thread. Acme thread are more powerful than the square thread. Acme thread transfer power in either direction. And buttress thread. In case of buttress thread, the flanks are inclined at angle at 45 degree. And buttress thread are stronger than any thread. Means all threads, buttress thread is more powerful than any other type of threads. And buttress thread are used in vices and clamping devices where force is to be applied in one direction only. Thank you.